What's up guys, this is Vi and today I'm gonna show you how to create this amazing text illustration typography in Photoshop. So if that sounds interesting, let's hop into it. Okay, so I have a pretty simple flat design right here. Nothing too special. So I'm gonna show you how to create this kind of an outline text typography in Photoshop. So first of all, I'm just gonna create a new background. So this is the background layer. I've selected this kind of a color. I will just show you the color code. So this is the color code, and then I have created this mountain kind of thing, and as soon as I just turn on my design, so this is the floor layer. Okay, and if I just turn off the typography, so and let me just turn off the mountains. Okay, so I've already created the tires, and the thing you need to have for this kind of an effect is an actual shape of the thing that you wanna make your text look like. So I have this car shape. I've created this with the use of pen tool, and if you wanna know how to create these kind of shapes and designs in Photoshop, just hit me up with a comment and I will make sure that I create a tutorial. So with this layer selected, I'm gonna just press ctrl and click in here. So this creates this thing, the outline. Okay, so if you wanna add text manually, like with the help of text tool, just make selection and select a white color or any color you want. Select your font. In this case I'm using Oswald, and just type in I want to type in bold. Cool, so I've created a few text, and obviously these are not enough, so I'm gonna just bring some text from my example. Cool. Just duplicate them and just bring them right here. Cool. So this is the text, and once you have created text, make sure you select all of the text and just select the last text, and holding the shift key select the first text. This will select all the text in between, and press Ctrl plus G to make a group and rename this to text. Cool. So after you have created text, all you need to do is Ctrl click on the layer that contains the actual shape. So just control click, and selecting the text group, just press on this add layer mask icon, and boom, you will get the text in the shape of the design that you have created. Okay, so this is pretty time consuming, so I'm gonna show you one more trick to create. You can just go to wordcloud.com and generate a bunch of text, or you can just download the PNG files for the text. So this is the PNG file. Let me just show you. See, I'm gonna link it in the description. You can download this file. Cool. Okay, so this was it guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon so that you never miss a future update, and make sure to drop a thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial or learned something new today. Hit me up with a comment if you want to know how I created this complete design in Photoshop. So that's it. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.